Gary, Hyman over here. We're going to quickly talk about Hangouts, different form of Hangouts, and the one I want to specifically focus in on is the one where you provide a link to a third party to attend the Hangout. It could be the third party could be part of a non-Google environment, so it could be on Twitter, it could be on a Facebook, for example, within a group, or on your wall, and you provide that link for them to attach, and you do not want that Hangout to be on air. So I'll focus on that one, but quickly, just to mention about Hangouts, the interface has changed for Google, as you probably know, and where you used to access the Hangout before, which was in the top right-hand corner over here, it's gone, and the new place is within the left bar menu, and you click on Hangouts on Air. It will present a list of current Hangouts, and then you start your own Hangout. Now, you can provide that link to anybody, or you can invite them by name, by circle, or whatever method that Google allows you to use to invite them, and then just start the Hangout. And that type of Hangout will broadcast it live on air, stream it out to YouTube, so make sure your YouTube and your G+ environment are connected properly. Now, if you want to have a Hangout that's not on air, what you would basically do, there's a number of different ways you can do that. The first thing I'm suggesting is go to your circles and create a circle with one entry in it. So I've created a circle called Personal Non-Shared, and what you're going to do with the circle is you're going to invite who's ever in the circle to the Hangout, and that notification will obviously appear to a dummy entry which I've put in there, which really goes nowhere, but it allows you to actually activate the Hangout. Now, if you do not have a dummy entry in there, if you do not have at least one entry within that Hangout, the list, your circle list, will not show up where you want to invite them. So that's why you need to put one dummy entry in there, or it can be a real entry if you want. I just have it as a dummy entry. So going back to creating your various Hangouts, there's a number of ways you can do it. If you go back to your G+ mainstream screen, you'll notice in the top right-hand corner you have a little funky green icon. That's your Hangout icon. When you click that, if you're not signed in, we'll ask you to sign in. Just click Sign In, and then you can click on New Hangout. Once you do that, then you can key in the circle that you have created with that one dummy entry and invite that Hangout to your video call. It's not your on-air call now, it's your video call. You click on the video icon and it will invite, and you'll hear a couple sounds. It will invite, send out the invitation to who is ever there, and after a while it's just going to stop. You can take that link, copy that link, and paste it into whatever form, whatever group, whatever email. It doesn't really matter. It just provides the ability to access that Hangout, and this is going to be non-streamed to YouTube. So that's one way to actually do it. So I'm going to cancel this one. Another way to do it is directly from your Gmail account. So within Gmail, you need to first of all activate the Hangouts. When you do activate it, you'll get a facility, something like this, that looks like that. You will have to sign in. Once you sign in, you can create a new Hangout. You can create the Hangout, give it the invite the recipient of that circle you created with that one dummy member in it, and again click on the video call to initiate your actual Hangout. And once again, it sends out your invitation text, and you can copy the link and paste it into any forum or any email of choice. Just so this doesn't get aggravating, I'm just going to terminate this call. So really straightforward from that perspective. The other way you can initiate a Hangout, which is kind of cool, a non-broadcast, non-live stream type of Hangout, is right from your calendar. And from your calendar environment, when you set up an appointment in your calendar, edit the event, you will notice that if you have activated your Hangouts, you get a video call button that says add a Google Hangout. When you add that Hangout and you set the date and time and you save the entry, you will notice, I'm going to go back into it, I believe this is it. So this is the invitation I have received. Actually, before that, you would send out an invitation to various individuals. And when they receive the invitation, they will receive something that looks like that. And all they have to do is click on Join the Hangout, and will go into a state where they can actually join onto that Google Hangout. Everybody in that invitation will get the same ID number to join that specific Hangout. Well, that was a quick blurb on Hangouts. Hope you found it useful. If you like it, please click on the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.